Hi guys, it is your girl Jordan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you, voila, this spider illusion makeup. I'm not gonna lie, I was super nervous about this, but in the end I love how it all turned out, how the look came together. This is my first time doing something like this, my very first time. I've said it ever since I started doing this whole Spooktember makeup series, that whenever I attempt something, it is for the first time for you guys on my channel, because I'm trying to diversify my platform. And so yeah, if you notice, my background is a little bit different today because it is literally overcast for the past few days. It has been raining non-stop, and so I had to literally be sitting in front of my door to get as much light as I could possibly get. So A for effort, and if you appreciate my effort, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. If you've not, go ahead and do so now. I don't want to do too much talking, so yeah, let's just jump into this video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my face as per usual, and I'm going to go in with the Nivea Soft Face Body Hands Moisturizer. So I did do my eyebrows, as you can see off camera. I have quite a few eyebrow tutorials. If you're interested in checking those out, I'm gonna link those for you. Now for today's primer, I'm going back to a oldie but goodie, which is my Milk of Magnesia. I'm gonna be using that to prime my face. Moving on to foundation, I'm using, of course, my L'Oreal True Match, and I'm just gonna be applying a small amount to my face. I don't want too much foundation on. I just want enough to give me like a slight coverage, and so I'm using a foundation brush to a concealer.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. Alright, so now I'm going in with my Coty Airspun Loose Powder.
some depth and warmth to my face, I am going in to set my contour using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in Deep Tan to Deep. With my Milani press powder just to set everything. Now guys, I do recommend doing this. Not everyone does this, but use your face if you can blend it, because then your contour will not be looking separate from your highlighter, and you definitely don't want them to look like they're two different people. You want everyone to be together. As you can see, my contour is defined. Everything looks smooth. You're not seeing any division in between my highlight and my contour. Versus this side that has not yet been blended, you can actually see the lines of demarcation. We don't want that. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be adding butterscotch. I usually go on the tip of my nose, and I don't do too much. And then I go a little bit here in between my eyes on top of my nose bridge. Not too much again, and then of course the high points of my cheek.
Calls to me from the treetops.
Ooh, it's popping, it's popping. Finally, the part that you've been waiting for. We're gonna get into these eyes. Alright, so because I want you guys to visually see what I'm doing, I'm gonna be zooming in to my face a little bit more, and also I'm gonna insert on the screen the photo reference that I'm using as a guide to do this makeup look. So the first thing you want to do is get a black eyeshadow. I am going to be going into my Delancey palette, which is a very cheap, very affordable. I'm not going to say cheap, it's very affordable. A very affordable palette, and I really like the black in this palette, so I'm going to pick that up as the shade for my eye. So I'm going to be doing the first eye on camera, and then I'm just going to go off screen and do the other eye. Alright, so I'm going to put the palette on the screen so that you can see what I'm talking about. And what you want to do is you want to place the color onto your eyelid. Don't take it anywhere else, just focus it in. Just focus it on your lid. So if you see me looking down and basically looking at the photo.
I'm feeling like love tonight. There's no stopping what I feel inside.
Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna be doing a smoky eye black eyeshadow look. Be on the lookout for that, because this is just popping. This is everything. I swear, whenever I'm doing my makeup, I can never find anything. Let me know down in the comment section if that happens to you as well. Alright, so going in with my BH Fairy Lights palette, Edna Mord, which I'm going to use that to blend out the harsh lines from the black.
You in the backseat of my car.
Alright guys, so I'm going to jump off camera and do the other eye, and I'll be back. And I am back. So, now is the scary part. Oh my god, I'm so nervous, So now I'm going to be using a white eyeliner that I'm going to be sharpening. I'm ready to go. I'm going to have one spider leg here. And it's going through my eyebrows, guys. here. Oh, before I forget, this is the Real Color Hydra Eyes Longwear Gel Eyeliner in the shade white. Yeah, I'm gonna say white. Okay, so now that I have the base done, a liquid eyeliner. I'm using this one by MAC. The name is actually removed, so I don't have much details, but I'm going to be using the finer point from this, and I'm just going to be tracing the spider legs. So what I'm gonna do to highlight the white areas of the spider legs, just to give it some accent, I'm going to take my white eye pencil, and I broke off piece already, and I'm gonna put another piece on here, and then using the tip of my brush, I'm gonna like squash it out. I'm going to put a lot of the product on here. Now I'm going to go in and shade in with the black. Go back in with the palette that we used earlier. I use the Delancey palette. You can use whichever palette you have used, and I'm gonna basically go in now and smoke out my under eye. It is very important to note that when you're doing the shadowing for the legs, all the points need to be connected. So where you start the shadow, it should be connected to the tip of the spider's leg to make it look more realistic. You know what I find annoying? To have my phone on auto lock and the light shifts and darkens my video. I hate it.
We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We said down by the fire, knowing we couldn't.
Alright, so now it is time for us to finish off this look. I'm gonna do my lips.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, beside me laying under palm trees, waiting for the
that is it. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for being here.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the door closes starts